राष्ट्र संविधान का है तू ही शिल्पकार, तू ही शिल्पकार, तू ही शिल्पकार। तूने ही सिखाया है समानता का सार, समानता का सार, समानता का सार।
Good morning. I am NCC Cadet Chabi Kaushik from St. Anthony Secondary School, Sector 9, Faridabad. Today I want to tell you about one of the famous personality of India, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. His full name is Bhimrao Ramaji Ambedkar. He took birth in a Dalit family on 14 April 1891 to Ramji Maoji Sangpal and Bhimabai. He was from a small Mao village in Madhya Pradesh. He was a sincere student during his school days. Though he was an excellent student, he faced discrimination at every stage of his life. He completed his higher education from Bombay University and London School of Economics. As a child, he took a deep interest in studies. He became the first law minister after India became independent. Bhimrao Ramaji Ambedkar is fondly remembered as Baba Sahib because he worked for the untouchables or Dalit welfare. He is called the father of the Indian Constitution since he drafted the Indian Constitution in India.
Cadet Srishti Kanwar from 5 Haryana BN NCC Gurugram. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a crusader of gender equality and fought for equal rights of women in inheritance and marriage. Dr. Ambedkar had a vision for women empowerment and stood up to break down the barriers in the way of the advancement of women in India. Dr. Ambedkar's vision, inspiring life thoughts, reinforce our conviction that the nation is to be governed with absolute commitment, positive thinking, optimum effort, and relentless determination. His role in the struggle for a modern, democratic, and socially just India greatly enhanced at the expense of various other outstanding national figures who were contemporaries and opponents during the great battles of the freedom movement era. This is essential because the deep-seated and central problems spotlighted by his life struggles, studies, and experimentation in the ideas domain alive and kicking
Constitution which envissages safety and security to Indians, freedom of religion, abolition of Untouchability Act, etc. The Constitution was adopted on 26 November by the Constituent Assembly. Ambedkar later accepted Buddhism along with his followers. He is known for his work as a lawyer, economist, politician, and professor. He breathed his last on 6 December 1955. Ambedkar was survived by his second wife, Dr. Savita Ambedkar, and son Yashwant Ambedkar. His birthday is celebrated as Ambedkar Jayanti and is a public holiday. He was honored with the greatest civilian and Bharat Ratna in 1990. His fight for equality and in the society against social injustice, concerns of the Dalit people, etc. should be a lesson of inspiration and dedication to all Indians. Thank you.
नमस्कार, आज मैं कैडेट काव्यल गुप्ता अंबेडकर जयंती को मद्देनजर रखते हुए आपके सामने अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। तो जैसा कि आप जानते ही हैं कि भीमराव अंबेडकर जी का जन्म दिवस 14 अप्रैल 1899 में महू है, जो कि वर्तमान में मध्य प्रदेश का एक छोटा सा शहर है। उनके पिता का नाम रामजी मालूजी सतपाल और उनकी माँ भीमबाई हैं। उन्हें लोग प्यार से बाबा साहिब के नाम से भी जाना करते हैं। पिछड़ी जाति के होते हुए भी हमारे भारत के संविधान और इतिहास की रचना में उनका महत्वपूर्ण योगदान है, इसलिए वे राष्ट्रपिता के नाम से भी पुकारे जाते हैं। उनके जन्म दिवस के रूप में ही अंबेडकर जयंती मनाई जाती है। उन्होंने सक्रिय रूप से दलितों के साथ साथ हमारे समाज के अधिकारहीन वर्ग के लिए भी कार्य किया है और उनके अधिकारों के लिए भी लड़े हैं। वे एक राजनीतिक नेता, कानूनविद, मानव विज्ञानी, शिक्षक, अर्थशास्त्री थे। क्योंकि इस दिन का भारतीय इतिहास में बहुत बड़ा महत्व है, इसलिए इसे भारतीय लोगों द्वारा अंबेडकर जी को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करने के लिए देश भर में हर्षोल्लास के साथ मनाया जाता है। जय भीम, जय भारत, धन्यवाद।
To all, I'm NCC Cadet Swasti Sharma from St. Anthony Secondary School, Sector 9, Faridabad. Today, I'm here to speak on the most famous and the role model of many Indians, that's Dr. B.R. Ambedkar,
on the occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti. Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated throughout the country on 14th of April every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is also known as the father of Indian Constitution due to his instrumental role in drafting the Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was also the first law minister of independent India. He strived for equality among all castes of Hindu society and for Indians as a whole. He taught people to fight for what is right. He promoted reforms that uplifted the lowest of the castes, the Dalits. He organized several movements like anti-caste movement, Dalit Buddhist movements, etc.
साहिब मेरे भीमराव, साहिब मेरे भीमराव, साहिब मेरे भीमराव, साहिब मेरे भीमराव। संकट में आया तू बन के सहारा, बन के सहारा, बन के सहारा। तेरी मशाल ने दिखाया किनारा, तेरी अवस्थाओं से खिला